Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video about something called the Exterior Angle Theorem. Okay, and so this is another video about triangles. So what exactly is the Exterior Angle Theorem? Well, this diagram actually shows a nice example of it. So what it states is the outside angle of a triangle always equals the sum of the two far away inside angles. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So this angle right here is on the outside of the triangle, which is 130 degrees. So that's an obtuse triangle, right? An obtuse angle. Well, look at the two angles that are furthest away from that angle. So here one is 70 degrees, and the other one is 60 degrees. And 70 plus 60 adds up to the 130 degrees. All right? So this angle here is always the sum of the two angles inside the triangle that are as far away as you can get from this angle. All right. So now that you know that, let's turn the page and let's try some of these problems. All right. So here we have a triangle. We have an angle that's 50 degrees, 60 degrees. Right. This one here is unknown, but this one's x. So we know that this angle right here has to be the sum of this angle plus this angle. All right. So 50 plus 60 will give us 110 degrees. All right. Now, this one's a little more advanced, but again, this angle here is going to be the sum of this angle plus this angle. All right. So based on that, we can write an equation. So it's going to be 3x take away 10 is going to equal 25 plus x plus 15. And now let's simplify. So it's going to be 3x take away 10 is going to equal x plus 40. And now I'm going to take away an x from both sides. So we get 2x take away 10 equals 40. Now because I'm running out of room, I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 10 to both sides and then divide by 2. So when we do that, we're going to get x equals 25. And now that we know what x is, we can take it and plug it back in. So when x is 25, 3 times 25 is 75. And 75 take away 10 is 65 degrees. All right. And let's make sure it works, because I can take 25 and plug it in here. And 25 plus 15 is 40 degrees. And 40 degrees plus 25 degrees adds up to 65 degrees. There it is. Okay. So now that you understand what the triangle exterior angle theorem is all about, why don't you pause the video and try the next two problems, and then when you're done, hit play. You can see how you did. All right, good luck. All right, welcome back. Let's see how you did with these practice problems. Okay. So for this first problem, you're trying to solve for the value of this x, okay? And we know that x plus 40 degrees has to add up to this angle, right? So I'm going to write the equation. So x plus 40 is going to equal 100. And when I take away 40 from both sides, we get x equals 60 degrees. So there's the first answer, okay? The second one is a little more complicated because we know that this angle here is 2x plus 4. And that has to equal the x angle plus the 60 degrees. So our equation is going to be 2x plus 4. It's going to equal x plus 60. All right. Now we need to solve for x. So I'm going to take away x from both sides. And we get x plus 4 equals 60. Now I'm going to take away 4 from both sides. So we're going to get x equals 56. All right. So now when I plug in, so there's our answer for x. But to check that's right, I'm going to substitute 56 for the x up here. So 2 times 56 is 112. And 112 plus 4 is 116 degrees. So this red angle right here is 116 degrees, which should be equal to this angle x plus 60. So when I plug in 56 for x, Well, 60 plus 56 gives us our 116, and there's the answer.